Welcome YouTube. Here we are again out today. Beautiful day. Playing with chainsaws. All different flavors, types, and sizes. Okay, bro. R&D. People behind the scenes don't know what's going on or what it takes to make changes. Checking RPMs, that kind of stuff. I don't know if you can see this. All different types.
There's something more.
Yeah, because I think these are a wall. It should be a wall, bro. Yep. Don't you have the little wall, bro?
Yeah.
Okay, Bri, run one.
But what I would do is get it into it just barely touch it.
Neighbors come over. We got a BS.
Yeah, fire it up. That one's a good one.
So, what's your thoughts after running both of them?
They run good.
Does the pipe? Can you tell?
Oh yeah.
Huge.
Yep. Lots of RPM.
Just gives it instant RPM. These pipes are pretty quiet. And
I want one.
You want one?
I did.
Oh, you did? Yeah.
Remember?
No.
It's fast. It's really fast.
It runs
way
good,
better than stock.
But the big bore.
Kicks it around in the dirt.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Try that one, Mater. That's the one they want.
Go on.
Yeah, you start doing chainsaw stuff, we get visitors.
Now,
People just show up. Mater's a still guy. Push on it. Are you a still guy?
It runs.
He likes still though. He likes still better.
I still like still better.
Well, you were pushing pretty hard on that last one,
pushing hard. You said push it hard.
and it just went.
It had a little more. We need a bigger bar. We're all out.
how big of a bar do you need?
660 with the pipe on. Eat that thing's lunch.
Really?
Ooh.
Well, I just need the pipe. We can find out.
He's got a 660.
They are impressive.
Yeah, Jared.
Anyway, this is what we're working on today. When we have them dialed in 100% ready, we'll let you guys know. But thanks for watching. These are pipes in the future. You know, we're just a lot to work on. But anyway, hopefully you guys like this stuff. Thanks for watching. See you next time.